Today I'm going to go over this OGERY sleeping mat here. Check this thing out. This is a self-inflating mat, everybody. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like go over how this thing inflates and deflates down. So it's technically inflated now. You guys see that? It is super comfortable. So laying down on it, it's just kind of like padded. It is warm out here. I'm waiting for tonight to get on it. But this thing is very padding and it feels awesome. There's a opening right here, but you're seeing that. Actually, you don't even need that. And I will show you why this is impressive. Inside of here, take it out of there. This you can charge, so you do get a USB-C cable for charging it up. There's a on and off right there, so if you need to, you can plug in a hose and then stick it in and plug it up that way. But watch how this thing works. So it goes in just like this. You see these little like balls right there? You just go down, locks into place, close that up. Now there's an inflate and a deflate. This is the deflate. Watch what it's going to do. This is impressive. Once you push that on, it's deflating it down. You guys see that? Look how thin it already is. So now we're ready to go. I just hit that button right there. It's a slider. Look at that. I just roll it up. Now the bag to this thing is right here. And inside the bag, what did I have? You get a little user manual that kind of goes over everything, a guide on how to use the pump, a backup hose for a hose connect, and that wraps around it, and a USB-C cable. Look at this, that is flat as a pancake. So it's going to deflate it down. You'll fold it up, put it back in the bag, and it's a good solid kind of canvas bag. That worked out great. So you guys see that? We're going to stop it now. Let's put it in the middle. So you see this slider go over here, watch. It just started. This thing will completely inflate this in just a matter of minutes. Right now it's probably an inch. You can barely see it. You're going to see all these wrinkles start to disappear. What it's doing, it's sucking in right here, going in, and it's blowing into this outlet, and it's going around. Very innovative design on the way they did the pump. I really like this a lot. Notice there's no more wrinkles. You guys see that? And look how thick it already is. This thing has a memory cell feel to it. It's got a little bit of a head padding right up here. I would say that's about it. That's pretty tight. Probably 3.5, 4 inches thick right there. Remember, it was only that thick when I deflated it down. I would say that's inflated. Just in the time I did this video, just turn that off and it's ready. And like I said, when you want to charge this thing, just pull it out. Now, if you just want to use this as a pump, there's an on and off button right here. I think you want to hit that, yeah, like that. That's deflate and that's inflate right there. So that worked out perfect, everybody. I recommend this OGERY mat. This is one of the best sleeping pads that I've seen out there. Great for the back of a pickup truck, or using inside of a tent like this, or just using outside on the ground, or using as a kind of a backup bed. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the OGERY self-inflating air mattress. See you all in the next video.